On a really rank, waspy horse, you might shoe the hind feet first because they're safest. You don't have to straddle it and have the leg between your legs. But once again, make sure all 3 feet that you're leaving on the ground are where they need to be. I'm going to step that one back a little bit. If he brings that hind leg that's on the ground forward, it puts him in a power position and it makes it difficult. It makes it difficult to do a hind foot. I'm letting, my heart's in my hand, I let him know I'm coming. Especially on kicky horses, we keep our shoulder into him, we can feel the leg move before he ever moves it. Once again, grab the toe, put yourself in a power position. When I step rearward, I use my knee to drag it. The ankle is right above the knee. I'm turned at about 45 degrees, and the flat face of the outside of this hoof rests above my knee. That's how I get in a power position. To release it, go back with it. There it is.